AI replace everyone? Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, says something bold. AI will eventually surpass humans in everything. Jobs in accounting, law, even art could all be done by machines. The future? Automated, efficient, uncertain. But one job, Hinton says, might be safe: plumbing. Because some work demands not just knowledge, but real human skill. You can teach a machine to think, but can you teach it to crawl under a sink at midnight? Not all jobs are replaceable. Not all intelligence is artificial.